Parker is a global leader in motion control technologies.
We produce products and sell to every country in the world.
What I like to tell people is that we're part of your everyday life.
We help better the lives of people around the world.
We really are here to engineer your success.
Engaged people is what it all starts with.
Engagement to me is when you really care about what you do when you come to work.
I've been here for 42 years, and I've always felt I had a voice.
When you listen to people and give them the chance to talk, they feel more engaged, they feel they're part of a bigger picture.
Taking ownership and having that entrepreneurial mindset means that we can make changes to make things better.
All the value streams have a high-performance team, and they're put together to try and help solve problems.
I love our HBT teams. Small teams making improvements, making the quality better.
It gives us room to improve. It helps to bring everyone together.
Working together on the right things, getting that engaged feeling that what you're working on is going to make a difference at the end of the day.
Safety's a priority here.
Safety is number one.
And as you noticed when you first came down the drive, we had a sign that says safety starts here.
It's just the environment
that makes you feel like they're on your side and making sure that you're going to go home the same way you showed up for work that day. Premier customer experience means quality.
We have great products, good quality, and we deliver on time.
We always want to strive to get better.
When we talk about premier customer experience, what we're talking about is engaging ourselves with our customers, making their problems our number one priority.
How can we satisfy our customers' needs throughout the entire course of our business dealings with them?
Exceed our customer expansion every day in everything we do.
We are all part of the WIN strategy here, and that's what I love about the corporation.
The WIN strategy is that glue that kind of brings us all together.
Everybody's working together at the same goal.
The values that they hold that are in the WIN strategy, there's no other company that I'd rather work for.
Parker is a great place to work.
It's a great company. I have not enough words to describe.
We do a lot of stuff for community. We do a lot of stuff for each other.
It's like a family. It really is.
I like Parker because it's a company who respects people and allow people to grow.
There's a lot of people that have been here for years, and people don't stick around if the company's not good.
I feel like the work we do makes a difference.
I brag about that all the time. It's from fluid connectors to electronics to parts that goes in turbine engine.
I now know that when I board an aircraft, I feel safe.
It feels great to be a part of a winning team.
Everybody likes to win, and I've been a part of this winning team for a long time.
Parker, engineering.
Engineering.
Your success.
Your success.
Engineering your success.